how you can make your first $500 sustainable passive income online with CPA affiliate marketing. Now, as you watch this video, maybe you're a newbie, maybe you don't know who I am. I have been doing affiliate marketing for many years, full time. I'm super affiliate. You can check my Instagram, my lifestyle. I'm traveling all around the world thanks to affiliate marketing. But when I got started, I heard about term CPA affiliate marketing. And what is actually the CPA affiliate marketing? For example, there's going to be affiliate network which is going to have a product that costs 47 or 27 US dollars, and they will pay affiliate 60 or $100 commission. Now maybe you're asking, why would they do that? The reason why is because they will give you a small cut, a bigger pie upfront, but they know their math. They know they will make much more money on the back end from all the high ticket upsells. So maybe they give you $100 for $27 sale, but on the next sale they're gonna make $500 or $1,000, right? So the math works out for the company. That's why they can afford to do that. Many companies afford to lose money for a year, right? To go into the minus, negative, because they know next year they're gonna make millions and millions more. Okay, now how you as a newbie can make money is basically by understanding who is your audience. Now, it can be all done together with you, right? When you have someone who can mentor you and help you one-on-one along the way. But you need to understand, you need to have the right audience, right? For example, in the weight loss, you have many subcategories. You have, in the neutral space, you have diabetes, you have dental space, you have hair loss, you have acne, you have skincare, you have so many things, right? Categories. Choose one, pick one that is big money maker, right? And then you have to understand males and females language is different. So when you're building ClickFunnels, let's say a landing page or a website, a mini blog, you have to understand you need to include 5 points of pre-selling to different emotional states. Maybe this is too much for you in this video, okay? Now you don't have to learn all this by yourself or do it all this by yourself. No, it can be all done for you. Done for you in the box, affiliate marketing, CPA affiliate marketing business, okay? The only thing you need is 30 minutes to 1 hour per day to run the business, right? So if you have 30 minutes every other day, you're good to go, okay? It's not about time investment. You're not in 9 to 5 job. In 9 to 5 job, you have to go and show up 8 hours per day. Here, you don't have to do that. You work for yourself and you have also support, right? So if you want to travel all around the world, if you want to buy a new car, new house, or if you just want to take extra vacation or have side hustle, then CPA affiliate marketing is for you. Why? Because what you could do with extra $100 to $400 per day or $500 per day, right? You could do many things. You can maybe help your kids, your spouse, your family. You can do more for yourself, right? And the most important thing is stress-free work, okay? Is stress-free work, very important thing, right? If you work 9 to 5, you have a job, you have a boss above you telling you what to do, when to show up. With affiliate marketing, no, you're working for yourself, okay? You make your own time. Now, if you have 30 minutes per day, and if you have at least, let's say, $50 to $100 per day, as a beginner, you should have at least $25 per day. If you have only $20 to $25 per day, then you're good to go, okay? Because we are testing. I would usually tell a beginner, spend $25 or $50 in a day. Let's run the ad for 2 days. And if you make back $200 or $350, then you're good to go. You're good to duplicate the same campaign, right? So how would we work is, once we connect together one-on-one, I would help you to build the business out of the box, give you the ads that are proven to convert, give you the website that is proven to convert, and also give you some of the time to set it up together. And once it's finally up and running, you can start to have really great results. So as you watch this video, if you want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, with CPA affiliate marketing, running Google ads, YouTube ads, or Facebook ads, let me know after watching this video. You have in the description below my WhatsApp number, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my email, where you can reach out to me. But do not reach out if you're not serious, okay? This is not free thing, okay? You have to invest some of the money to get what you want, to get really great results. And it makes sense, right? If you're investing, I don't know, $500 to $1,000, $2,000, and you're getting back $3,500 or $5,000, it makes sense because you are making money back from your investment, right? So I'm looking at money as my soldiers. I take $1 to make $2. I take $1 to make $5 back, right? So money is like my workers for you, for me. So you should think the same way. You have money in your wallet sitting at the bank account, it doesn't do any good, right? If you put it in the bank, the savings, it will not work out. You will maybe save for 2 years, 5 years, 6 years. The most important thing is you need to understand money is a tool. You can invest it to get more of it. I'm not investing in Bitcoin because I know it's gambling, right? But here you have exactly, you understand who is your audience, what do they want, and you have a proof. People are buying. Look at your family, friends, neighbors. They're buying stuff online. They're ordering on TikTok, they're ordering on Amazon, eBay, they're ordering everywhere, right? So you have a proof. People are now more than ever buying stuff, products, services online. Fact. It's a fact. Stone cold fact. So if you really want to get results, let me know. You can take advantage in 2024 to start having results, because if you would already knew how to make money online, you wouldn't be watching this video, right? But you don't. And the reason you don't know how to make money online is because you tried all these other courses, you tried all the things in the past that didn't teach you or show exactly. You didn't have someone to hand holding you one-on-one, step by step, to show you, okay, we have a low, this audience is low emotional state, this audience is high emotional state. Here you have to change your ad copy for female language, here for male language, and here is who you should target. Okay, and then, my friend, you can start having results. Again, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.